Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, in today's vlog I'm going to change the oil in this Mazda 323. I've already got the car raced on the ramps. I'll show you what all you need for this DIY. So first, definitely you'll need the engine oil. So I got Valvoline engine oil. This is a fully synthetic engine oil, 5W40, and the Mazda actually requires a grade of API, SG, SC or SF, but this grade oil is actually not available today. So an equivalent graded oil is this engine oil, which is API SN CF. So this is the specification that you need for this Mazda 323, as this is the compatible model for our car. And you can actually go for any number between 0W to 10W, and this can go anywhere from 20 to 40, but since it's going to be summertime here, it's going to be really hot, I went with 5W40. So 40 is the higher temperature oil, so this is more thicker and it's better for hotter climate, and that's why I went for this graded oil. So this cost me $40. It came at an offer price. And then I got the oil filter. The oil filter is from Ryco. So this oil filter cost me $16. And I also got the drain bolt plug, and the drain bolt plug was actually pretty expensive. So this alone was $20. It's pretty expensive. And apart from that, even the air filter was very expensive. This was around $36. It's from a brand called Westfield. So this is how the air filter looks like. And you also need a 16mm spanner like this to open and close your drain bolt. So you actually need 3.4 liters of engine oil for this car, because this is a 1.6 liter engine. If it is a 1.8 liter engine, you need 4 liters of engine oil. So keep that in mind. It's 3.4 liters for this engine. So now we'll go underneath the car and we'll drain the old oil out. So if this is the driver's side tire, this is the engine oil sump. So you can undo this nut and you can actually release the old oil out. The blue thing over here is the engine oil filter. So we need to remove that as well. That looks a bit tricky. First we'll undo this engine oil drain bolt. Okay. We can go on top and open the oil filter cap as well. We'll undo the oil filter cap so that it drains better. So now let's try removing the old oil filter by hand. It's right above there. Right, I think I can grab it from here. It's just next to the alternator. Yeah, I can twist it. It's twisting. Yep, it is twisting. So next we are going to change the air filter, let the oil drain out properly. So we'll do this work next. So there are 5 clips which you need to unhook like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just unhook it like this. And then just unscrew this thing. So once you unscrewed, you can remove this cover, and there is your old air filter. So now we'll be placing the new air filter element. Wow, Looks brand spanking new. So let's just place it inside like this. That's it, and we can just close this. So that's it, the new air filter element is placed. So before fitting the new oil filter back in place, remove this plastic cover. Never put it with this plastic cover. And you need to lubricate this gasket on top with fresh oil, which I'll be doing right now. So I got some new engine oil and we'll be just lubricating the gasket a bit. So now we'll be screwing the engine oil filter back in place. Just screw it with your hand. Just hand tight is enough. I allowed the old oil to drain for a while actually, I think around half an hour to 45 minutes. So now I'm going to screw the oil drain bolt plug back in place. So this is a 16 mm bolt, so I'm going to use a 16 mm spanner and got to tighten it properly. I think it should be good enough. So 3.4 liters means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 3.5. So we need to stop somewhere around here, this mark. So this means 3.4 liters. Let's start filling. And that's it guys, we got the brand new engine oil inside. So what we got to do next is just start the engine, go underneath the car, check for any oil leaks, then get it down the ramps, take it out for a spin, bring it back and check the oil level in the dipstick. So the right way to check the engine oil level is to first start the engine and let it idle for 2 minutes, and then put your foot on the brake and cycle the gears from P to R to N, D to 1. Then again do the same thing all the way back to D, N, R and P. And now take a clean piece of cloth or clean tissue paper, go outside. While you check the engine oil level, make sure that your car is parked on a level flat ground. The engine should still be running. Now this is the dipstick, so let's take the dipstick out, take the dipstick, wipe it clean and insert it back in again and take it out. So the engine oil level should be exactly between full and low, and it is exactly here just below full, so it's perfect. So that's how you change the engine oil in your Mazda 323 and how you can check your engine oil level using the dipstick. So if you guys like this DIY, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.